In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly from Outlook. Whether you're streamlining your integrations, troubleshooting sync issues, or simply no longer need the connection, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Removing the Outlook integration from Calendly is quick and straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is disconnected properly. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage. This is your starting point because it gives you access to your account settings. Once you're there, log into your Calendly account if you haven't already. You'll need to access your personal dashboard in order to manage your integrations. After logging in, make sure you're on the home dashboard. This is the main hub of your Calendly account and serves as the starting point for navigating to other sections, including integrations. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. It's your navigation panel. From this left side menu, click on the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps the settings for all the apps and tools you've connected to your account. Once you're in the Integration section, look for an option labeled Manage and click on it. This will open up a list showing all the applications currently linked to your Calendly account. Now, scroll through the list of connected apps and look for the Outlook integration. If you have multiple calendars or apps connected, take a moment to identify the Outlook icon specifically. Don't worry if it takes a second to find. It's important to make sure you're selecting the right integration. Once you've located the Outlook integration, click on it. This will bring up the specific settings for that connection. From here, look for the option to disconnect and click it. This is the action that will remove the link between Calendly and your Outlook account. You'll likely see a prompt asking you to confirm this decision. Be sure to confirm the disconnection to proceed, as this ensures you're intentionally removing the integration. After confirming, take a moment to verify that the Outlook integration is no longer listed in your connected apps. This step is crucial because it confirms that the disconnection was successful. If you still see it listed, you may need to refresh the page or repeat the disconnection process. And that's it. You can now close your browser or navigate away from the integration section. Just remember, disconnecting the app doesn't delete your Outlook account or any of your data. It simply stops the synchronization between Calendly and Outlook. So now you know exactly how to disconnect Calendly from Outlook in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.